Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows without gelatin and agar agar. First, gather your ingredients. We'll be using aquafaba, the liquid from canned chickpeas, as our amazing plant-based base. You'll also need granulated sugar, light corn syrup, water, and a touch of vanilla extract for flavor. Don't forget cream of tartar. It's crucial for stabilizing the aquafaba, ensuring your marshmallows achieve that wonderfully light and airy texture we all love. Next, we'll prepare our aquafaba base. Take 1/2 cup of aquafaba and combine it with 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar in a clean mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip this mixture on high speed. You'll want to continue whipping until it transforms into a thick, glossy meringue with very stiff peaks. This crucial step usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient for the best results. Now, let's create the hot sugar syrup that gives marshmallows their structure. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves, then boil it without stirring until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully and very slowly, pour this hot syrup into your whipped aquafaba while the mixer is running on a low speed. After incorporating the syrup, continue mixing the marshmallow batter for another 5 to 8 minutes. It will cool down and become very thick and glossy. Now, gently fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic marshmallow taste. Pour the entire mixture into an 8x8-inch pan, previously greased and dusted. Allow it to set at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, before dusting with powdered sugar and cornstarch and cutting into delicious squares.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.